What is up? You guys want a story time or not? I think I might have a story time for you today, but can we get into unboxing this package that Moravan sent me with these beautiful, beautiful colors? Like, I made little swatches for you guys because they're so cute. Just a lot of neons, fluorescents. I'm only featuring the Moravan kit in this video, but I used a little assistance from a black polygel I had lying around to make this trippy Halloween nail art for you guys. They sent me everything I need, including a polygel brush to do this set or clean up my French or whatever I may need. A slip solution, my favorite top coat and base coat. And I also got some files so we can get this thing smooth, okay? Edit, you trying to make them. This is so cute. Look at this. Look at the light. Look at the light. Okay, so we're gonna get into a story time, and this is still an unresolved story time because I didn't do anything about it, but that's because it was such a small amount of money. Why was I being an influencer as usual? You know, I'm a micro influencer and I'm growing, so I'm like, you know what, let me reach out to some companies and see if we can collab. So I draw up my proposal, I go on Instagram, and I'm finding these pages. I was able to verify some of them that they existed on either Amazon or just online. But I thought that I was really speaking to the people who make your sugar polygel. I got some receipts. I gotta look for them, but I have some receipts. I thought I was getting some polygels from Your Sugar Polygel. So they told me, oh, it's 50% off for the ambassador program. And if you just join it, you just pick out a few items, whatever 3 items you want, and you get 50% off your order. So I'm like, you know what? I've had Madam Glam give me 50% off for my users. I've had the Nail Reserve give me 50% off for my users. So I didn't think anything of it. So I put in all my information, guys, and I realized that my shipping address is wrong. I'm like, wait a minute, that's not where I am. And I also noticed, I realized, I'm like, I never got a confirmation email. I never got an email saying, all right, order number, whatever, has been placed. So I hit up the people on Instagram. And when I hit them up on Instagram, that's when it gets weird, guys. I couldn't even find the site anymore. So I hit them up like, my package went to the wrong address. They're like, don't worry, sweetheart. Can you tell me your order number and your new correct shipping address? And don't forget the delivery phone number, please. Now, I went to go look for the website in between that time, so that's why it's a whole different day and a whole different, you know, I'm busy, I work, so I have things to do. So by the time I got back to the email, I had already been searching for the tracking number myself, and I checked my web browser history and everything to make sure that I wasn't bugging out. But yeah, let's proceed. Then I'm like, I didn't even get any confirmation from you guys. Can't find the website anymore, nothing. It's not the same as the official Your Sugar website. So they're like, can you tell me your email, please? I will fetch it for you, dear. Tell them my email. They're like, okay, dear. Then I also let them know I don't have any shipping update and can't confirm any order details. Like, I'm literally trying my best to find this order because I don't want to believe that I got scammed by one of these shady nail companies. Like, I just don't want to believe that I got. So that's why I was just searching through everything. So moving on, I'm like, no, the order was for Lashay because they gave me the wrong name. And I'm like, what was the address? Because it's supposed to go to the Bronx, New York. You already know I'm from the Bronx. Anyway, so they're like, Bronx, New York. Yeah. I'm like, apartment. Okay, sweetheart, I found it. Sweetheart, this is your order, right? Then they send me a screenshot. Later, delete the screenshot. That's why you don't see it between the messages. But I took a screenshot of that. So he's like, I'm sorry, I got confused. And that's when I'm just like, no. Then they send me another screenshot. I meant this one. I'm sorry. I'm like, no. Then I send them a screenshot of what they sent me because you thought I was going to screenshot what you sent me. I screenshotted both of those things, right? So they're like, oh, so your order is 1065. No, this is what you sent me. You're lying to me right now. You sent me that my order was 1065 with your little fake little confirmation email that you sent me. It's not real. I already checked the official Your Sugar website and compared it to yours. Anyway, I'm like, that's what you sent me, order 1065, and it doesn't exist. Then they start yelling at me. You just told me that is not your order! Exclamation mark. So can you confirm first if it's your order? I'm like, never mind. Just keep your $13. Like, you could keep my little funky $13 because, like, come on, like, it's $13 and you're scamming people for $13. You're probably getting a lot of victims because it's your sugar, but, like, come on, you're scamming for $13, my guy. Then they're like, no, sweetheart. I'm like, the yelling already gave you away. Send me the tracking info and confirmation, and then I'll believe you. So then they're apologizing to me and stuff. On to the next screenshot. So now they're like, I'm sorry. I deal with a lot of customers, and the AI is not helping. I just got confused. Exclamation mark again. I'm still looking for your order. Exclamation mark again. All right, with your exclamation marks before anyway. If that is your order number with the right address, I will fetch your tracking number in dear and send it to you. Like, you already lying. I said, you just sent me what you had. I used the numbers from what you sent me on the website. It says 1065 doesn't exist. So I need you to confirm my order number, please. Because, like, if you're not a scam, give me a real order number so I can put it in on this site. Huh? Exactly. So next they're like, okay, dear, don't worry. I will handle this. Do you still need to change the shipping address? I'm like, at this point, I'm fed up. I said, show me the info you have. They're like, no, and that's all I can send you, and it's too much. I'm not supposed to show you anything at all. Customer data are sensitive, dear. Listen, you scammer. Like, I'm like, send this only. Like, the same way you sent it, like, send me this only. They're like, okay, sweetheart. Let me send you a screenshot of what they sent me. Dude, look at this Fugazi receipt. This is not even a real receipt. Oh my God. You know what, guys? Let me stop shouting. That was not a real receipt. It was not. Then after I'm like, send this only, and they send me the Fugazi screenshot, they're like, okay, sweetie, I will send you the tracking info. Then I'm like, when? And that's the last message I got, guys. That is the last message that they sent to me. Okay, sweetheart, I'll send you the tracking infos. And then I'm like, when? And they just left me hanging. They got me for my $13, y'all. They really, really got me for my $13. Like, that's so petty. Like, $13, like, and they didn't take any more. But I'm going to show you the real website and then the fake website that they directed me to. Look at it. Sorry, this store is currently unavailable. Fugazi! Now, this is the real one. See, now, I was moving fast, and I wasn't thinking about the fact that, you know, I didn't fully check out the site and check out everything, because the only way you could correspond with them was through Instagram. Like, they didn't have customer care contact. They didn't have, I just didn't thoroughly look, and I am familiar with your sugar, so I wasn't thinking to check twice and make sure that it was actually them. But yeah, they got me for $13. And I feel bad, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing my nails now. Yeah, so these nails were so heavy that I had to use my e-file to do most of the filing, because the movement from the hand file was just too much and I didn't want my nails to pop off. So yeah, I totally had to use the e-file to do most of my shaping. But look how they came out. They still came out really cute. Now I'm just going to buff them out and make sure that they're free of all scratches and stuff before I put down my top coat. And then I'm going to be applying some bling. This is the third time that I had to wipe these nails off. These are the crustiest nails I've ever done, but they're fire, so it's worth it. All right, and I'm going to stop talking now so you guys can enjoy the rest of this tutorial. All right, bye. These tips, I got them from Temu, and this is only like my second or third time using them. Yeah, they're super sturdy, but they're just so heavy, guys. Like, I'm gonna link them below, but please, like, they're heavy as heck. Okay, so now onto this cute little nail lamp that I could not wait to try. Look at it, guys. I am struggling to hold this up because these nails are so heavy, so I have to give my fingers support while I hold this, okay? But now we're gonna get to curing. First, I'm gonna put down my glue. Oops, gotta put down my stone. All right, so stone on, I'm placing it in the lamp. It actually cured on really sturdy, so I was happy with that. I'm not keeping these on, but if you were to use this lamp to put your stones on, they would definitely stick. This feels really, really good and secure. So now here's the big reveal, guys. Check out these nails. Thank you all so much for watching. Like this video and share it with someone else who might like it. Bye-bye.